Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal, dear teachers and fellows, Assalamu Alaikum. Today I am here to present a speech on Independence Day. Every Pakistani has an everlasting reflection of Independence Day in his heart. Nobody can forget those sacrifices which were undertaken by Muslims of subcontinent. They started their struggle a long time ago when the first person think about the freedom. Two nations theory cleared the vital concept that the creation of a separate homeland of Muslims of subcontinent. The dream was presented by Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Let me say that a great portrait was sketched by the author of Pakistan, which was colored with thick blood by Muslims of subcontinent. Every person participated in this fight in his own way. The young participated with power and force. The ladies fully support their chants, the girls lost their chastity, and even the children also presented their innocent lives in the way of separate homeland. A slogan was raised: we want freedom, we want a separate state, and we want nothing except Pakistan. Each darkness has a light, each night has a morning, each barbarity has a solution, each journey has a destination, each movement has a climax. The Muslims of subcontinent, under the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam, for day and night, they said, they did, they moved, they improved, and they proved when you trust on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and work hard, then victory chase you. Then the day came when Muslims of subcontinent got the result of their untiring efforts and struggles in the shape of Pakistan. Our country has been achieved on passion and sacrifice. So it is the noble duty of young generation to take care of our country. Today, 14th August, marks the 76th anniversary of our independence. During these 76 years, we have suffered many strokes. We were politically paralyzed, socially isolated, but we still survive, alhamdulillah. We have to identify and stand against all these odds to make our country strong. Dear fellows, it is a quite disheartening to say that our land is facing numerous challenges. Poverty, mismanagement, youth, unemployment, and corruption are the names of. The challenges are unending, so today we should promise to each other that we will stand against all these challenges. Let's unite, let's work